Good morning, my dearest. There are many paths, there are many ways in front of you, but it is you. You have to select the right path, the right track. And I think Almighty has given you another chance, or it might be the last chance to start your journey and to select the right direction again. Forget what you did in your past. Just think of coming days. Today, we shall discuss about the right form of verb. Lots of verb will attract you, will allure you to take it or to choose it. But if you fail to choose the right form of verb, then it will kill your dream. It will kill your dream not only in your SSC exam, but also in medical admission test and you for varsity admission test. Therefore, we should be careful while choosing the right form of verb. Let's have a look on some questions which were in some competitive exams. Look at the question number 1. Here, okay, he advised me dash the doctor. And what will be the most appropriate answer? Here you see there are 4 options. You can use he advised me that I see the doctor, or he advised me to see the doctor, he advised me seeing the doctor, or he advised me see the doctor. And which will be the most appropriate answer? And I suspect that most of you are thinking of the option V. I mean, you are thinking that it will be he advised me to see the doctor, but the answer is wrong. Yes, this is wrong. It will be that he advised me that I see the doctor. He advised me that I see the doctor. And now, to know the reason of that answer, we have to know the subjunctive mood. So, our second question is, the family doesn't feel going outing this season. So actually it was in 37th BCS Philly questions. So the family doesn't feel. So what will be the answer? Just it is your homework. Just think and write the correct answer in the comment box and I'll check it. Now go to the next questions. And this question, this question was in Dhaka University A unit. In admission test, I couldn't dash laughing. So there are 4 options. You see there is in A we see but I could not but laughing, or in V we see assist I could not assist laughing, C help I couldn't help laughing, or D though I could not though laughing. So what will be the right answer? Yeah, the correct answer will be help. Yes, the correct answer will be help. So the sentence will be I could not help laughing. I could not help laughing. You may be amazed to hear this type of answer from me, or you can ask me, sir, what the correct answer will be? Yes, or the meaning, what will be the meaning of this sentence? Yes, The meaning of this sentence is I was unable to stop laughing. Yes, I could not help laughing. It means I was unable to stop laughing. It means I was laughing very much. Yes, cannot help or could not help actually are phrases. Here, could not help, it is a phrase and it means that was not able to control or stop something. Okay, now look at the question number 4. I could not mend the computer myself. I couldn't repair the computer myself or mend myself, so I dash at the shop. So there are 4 options again. You have to choose the best alternative. Here is I had it mended at a shop, or I had it mend at a shop, or I did it mend at a shop, or I had mend at a shop. Okay, you may think that sir, it might be C, I did it mend at a shop, or some may think that it might be answer D, I had mend it, or I had mend at a shop. No, my dear students, the correct answer will be I had it mended. So option C is wrong, option D is wrong, and the option A is correct. So the sentence will be I had it mended at a shop. Now you may ask me that how it happened and what is the reason. Yes, okay, before going to the answer or the reason, we have to know what is doer, we have to know about the receiver, and also we have to know about the causative verb. Okay, my dearest, don't worry, we shall go through these terms in our lectures one by one in our following classes. Now have a look on this easy and known item. Here we see a girl, her name is Sadia. Sadia recite Al-Quran regularly. So there is a verb within the bracket recite. Now it is you. Yes, it is you. You have to determine, or you have to choose the right form of recite. So but before that we have to know a theory, or I think that most of us know that if a tense or if a sentence represents an action, if a sentence represents an action which is regular or which is normal or which is true, then that sentence should be written in present indefinite tense. Okay, I'm again saying that if a sentence or if a sentence actually represents an action and that is regular, or that action is regular, if that action is true, or if that action is normal, then that sentence we have to write in present indefinite tense. So there is a verb, you see, there is a term, there is a signal word, regular. Regularly is given here. So it means that Sadia she recites Al-Quran every day. So in that situation, if we follow this theory, we have to say that this should be written in present indefinite tense. So then what do we do in present indefinite tense? In present indefinite tense, we use the base form of the verb. Here the word recite is also in the base form. We have to use the base form of the verb, but we have to keep in our memory that if the subject is third person singular, here we see that Sadia, the Sadia is the subject and she is the third person. Sadia is the third person and singular number. So in that case, the verb base form, it will follow, or it will add s or yes. It will add s or yes. So in that situation, we will say that Sadia recites. What will we say? Sadia recites s. We shall add s after recite. Sadia recites Al-Quran regularly. In the same way, we can say generally, the second sentence says generally she go to the bed at 10 p.m. We will say generally she goes to bed at 10 p.m. So here the generally, it also represents that it is her regular action, or it is her regular habit. Yes, this is the slide. You see, here are some signal words. Yes, there are some signal words in this slide. And these signal words, if you find in any sentence, of course, you have to transform that sentence into present indefinite tense. And the words are always, often, most often, sometimes, every day, regularly, generally, daily, occasionally, usually, and normally. So these are the words actually which represents the habit of something, of doing something, habit of some people, or of anything. On the other hand, if you see something universal truth in a sentence, the sentence also should be written in present indefinite tense. And I believe that most of you have already acquainted with these words. Yes, most of you know these words. But if not, then of course memorize these words. Okay, now look at the next slide. So here are two sentences. The first one: the earth turns 360 degrees every day. So the earth turns 360 degrees every day. So the earth moves around itself 360 degrees every day. So if you think deeply, you will see that this is a fact, this is a truth. And we know that anything is, if it is fact, if it is universal truth, of course we have to write it in present indefinite tense. So in that case, turn will be turned into turns. I mean, we shall add s, as the subject, the earth, is third person singular number. So we know about that. Now my question is not about this sentence. I am asking what will be the right answer of the second sentence. Yes, just I'm giving you some time. Think of it. What will be the answer of second sentence? You are thinking, maybe you think that the earth turns. right now as we speak. Maybe you are thinking that, as I have already said, that if it is eternal truth or fact, we have to use present indefinite tense. So in that situation, of course, the earth turn as it always it turns, then of course it will be present indefinite tense. No, my dear students, it is not correct. The correct answer will be, the earth is turning. The earth is turning right now as we speak. Yes, this is because present continuous tense is used to talk about something that is happening at the time of speaking. Again, just just listen carefully. We shall use present continuous tense when we see that something is happening at the time of speaking. Listen, at the time of speaking. At the time of speaking. So we use some phrase to represent the time of speaking. For example, here look at the sentence. The earth turn right now. There is a phrase word right now, right now. So as we speak, so when we are speaking, there is another thing is also happening. When we are speaking or while speaking, now as we speak, it means while speaking or when we are speaking, that time, at the time of speaking, there is something happening. So in that situation, it will be the present continuous tense. But then maybe you are getting some difficulty in understanding this term. Okay, I'm giving you some signal words. If you get some signal words, then you will easily understand that sentence will be present continuous tense. Now, what types of signal words? Yes, here this sentence you are also observing that the right now. Yes, the words here, this is a phrase, or there is also word now. So if you get the signal words like now, at this moment, then of course you have to use present continuous tense. But before going to the signal words, now look or just hear what will be the structure of the present continuous tense. The present continuous tense, of course, it is formed with the subject plus present participle form, and we know that the present participle means TURN plus ing. I mean verb plus ing. If we add ing with verb, then we can say that it might be present participle form. Actually, we have to transform the main verb into present participle form, and of course we have to add before the present participle form auxiliary verbs like am, is, are. Am, is, are. So this sentence here also we see a signal word at present. This is also a synonym of noun. At present, actually it represents the word now. At present, what are we doing? Actually, at present we are watching a movie. It will be we are watching a movie. So here we is the subject, and we are, if we write that are, we are will be auxiliary verbs, and then our auxiliary we can say are that it is the present tense of the verb to be. It is the present form of to be verb. Then watch, it will be watching, WATCHING, watching. So it will be watching. So we are watching a movie in this cineplex at present. So in this slide we see some signal words of present continuous tense. If you get any time the word now, or the word at this present, or at this time, or at present, or still, or look, listen, hurry up, just look carefully. The words look, listen, these words, if you see, these words are used to attract the attention of someone. If you see that these words are used to attract the attention of someone, then after these words, if there is a sentence, that sentence of course will be in present continuous tense. Okay. So now here there are some examples that the are turns right now as we speak, as we already said about that. Then the second sentence is we are watch moving in this cineplex. We have also discussed about that. Okay, my dear students, I think it is enough for today, and we shall discuss more and go to the core of the topic next class. Until then, Allah Hafiz and goodbye.